Hi everybody, my name is Eileen because I lean like a cholo. Ooh! I'm from LA. Today we're gonna learn.
Hi.
You're gonna learn today.
Hi, Mom.
This is my son, Orion.
I'm Ryan.
He's my little helper today. But I love you too, Papa. So today we're gonna learn how to make enchiladas the way I have learned growing up. I'm Mexican American. My father is Mexican. My mother is Salvadorian. I've been making these enchiladas for years. Little by little, I've built on the recipe. At first, my dad would just have us make the enchiladas from the can, the sauce from the can. And I'm going to show you guys how to make it from the actual plant. So this is called Chile Nuevo. There are New Mexican chili pods. And depending on how spicy or not spicy you want the sauce is whether or not you keep the seeds in the sauce or not. Me, I prefer not to have spice. I'm a Mexican when it comes to spicy foods. I'm sorry. I know so many people hate on me because of that, but I just can't do it. I can't do spicy food. So I'm going to strain them out from the sauce, and I'll show you how to do that right now.